This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting tools and removing loose rust now. Use steel wool and coarse salt to scrub vigorously until bare metal appears. That exposes pits and hot spots you must fix. Once done, rinse with hot water and mild soap, then dry immediately. You don't want any leftover moisture. Make sure to warm the skillet on the stove for 3 to 5 minutes to drive off every drop before oiling. This prevents steam bubbles under the new seasoning and gives a consistent base to build on. Now you're building the seasoning. Pour a small amount of oil and rub a very thin, even layer inside and out. Thin is critical so it polymerizes, not pools. Once wiped almost dry, place the skillet upside down on the middle rack of a preheated 400 degrees oven with foil beneath to catch drips. Bake for 1 hour, then turn the oven off and let it cool inside to avoid thermal shock. Repeat this thin coat bake 2 or 3 times to strengthen the nonstick surface. Finish by testing. Fry a thin egg or sear bread. You should see improved release and a dark, even patina. If the surface is sticky or blotchy, don't panic. Strip to bare metal with a paste or oven cleaner and redo thin seasoning layers, or add another 2 bakes focusing on ultra-thin oil. Make sure to maintain it. Clean while warm with coarse salt, dry thoroughly, and apply a light oil after each use. This routine prevents rust and keeps the skillet improving over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.